Hey everybody, my name is Max Roskowski. I'm the product leader for Ranger Accessories, and we're here today to talk about the JBL audio kits in both the Ranger XD1500 to my right and the XP1000 to my left. So a couple of things I wanted to talk about with the JBL kits here. First, JBL really is the authority in the automotive audio space. So what that means is they've taken years and years to develop a proprietary tuning method that they've actually baked into these vehicles as well, while tuning the full kit. So whether you're buying it as an accessory or a factory installed audio kit in your vehicle, the tuning is going to be world class. Second thing I wanted to point out here is we've done a lot of work with JBL to be really intentional about the integration methods here. So we'll dive into the specifics on the XP1000 and the XD1500, but you'll see a really thoughtful design in both vehicles where we're pulling a lot of the components out of your storage space so that you have as much room inside the vehicle when the audio is installed as possible. Whether you're in an XD1500 Northstar Ultimate vehicle with the Trail Pro 2000 audio factory installed, or you've installed our Trail Pro 2000 kit as an accessory, the next choice is going to be the Trail Pro 4200 upgrade. The JBL 4200 audio kit for XD1500 comes with 2 subwoofers and 2 roof speakers. So a couple neat things about this kit: the subwoofers are actually tucked behind the driver's seat. They are 2 shallow mount 8-inch subwoofers, so you do not have to sacrifice any storage space in this vehicle to add your subwoofers and get some really nice bass in your sound system. The other thing I wanted to call out: these roof speakers are pre-wired in every XD1500, so those are truly a plug-and-play setup. You'll trim the roof liner to accommodate those speakers and it is ready to rock. This XD1500 is a Northstar Premium. The Northstar Ultimate trims of this vehicle actually come with the ride command screen and the audio factory installed in the dash. So one thing we want to talk about here is the difference between these two systems. If you buy a Northstar Premium, this head unit actually replaces your factory cup holders. So it comes with a 4x25 watt amp internally to power the audio system in your dash. In the 1500, there are 6.5-inch speakers down low and actually 3/4-inch tweeters up high. So it really gives a nice rounded out sound stage even with just the dash audio installed. One thing to call out here on this head unit is you're actually going to get the ability to choose between Bluetooth, weather band, AM, and FM radio. And you also have the ability to navigate here to an equalizer, a balance and fade setting, and some interesting preset equalizer settings depending on the type of music you're listening to. For Ranger XP1000 vehicles that already have our JBL Trail Pro 2000 kit installed in the dash, so think Northstar Ultimate vehicles or anyone who's installed that kit on their premium trim vehicle, we have the JBL Trail Pro 4100 rear audio system. Now this system comes with an under-seat mounted 10-inch down-firing subwoofer, as well as 2 4-inch roof-mounted speakers that really bring the soundstage up to the rider's ear and give you a truly immersive audio experience. So this Ranger XP1000 is a Northstar Premium trim, meaning it came from the factory with the full cab, heat and AC, but no audio. So this audio kit that we're showing today is the JBL Trail Pro 2000 kit. This includes 2 6.5-inch speakers in the dash, 2 3/4-inch tweeters, and this JBL head unit. So this head unit actually contains an internal 4x25 watt amp to power your speakers. Also, this head unit includes the ability to listen to FM radio, AM radio, weather band radio, Bluetooth, or you can directly insert a USB plug as well. One other thing to look at on this head unit is in the setup you have a full equalizer as well as fade and balance and some pre-programmed equalizer presets to help optimize the system for any type of music you might be listening to. Alright everybody, we've had a really good chance to take a deep dive into the 2 JBL audio systems for our Rangers. For more information, go ahead and visit your local dealer or Polaris.com.